my Bree gang? What is up to my Bree squad? It is your girl Bree and Bree.
And it's your girl Tisha.
And we are back with another freaking video, you guys. I know y'all see that title. I know you see the thumbnail. We switching it up, honey. We don't really have a big topic to talk about. We're just starving, and we thought we'd share with y'all our seafood boil that we got. Yeah. So that's what we're going to be doing, y'all. So I don't really care for crab. Not crab. My dumb ass. And I'm eating crab. Yeah, I don't really care for king crab. I like snow crab, okay? So that's what we got. We only got 2 of them. Tisha don't really eat crab, but she do with me. And we got a whole bunch of shrimp in here, y'all. We got 2 corns. We have an egg. We got sausage. Y'all, we got the works, okay? And this is spicy, okay?
It is.
Yeah, it's spicy. We already snatched a couple of the shrimp because we couldn't wait. So we want to go ahead and dive in, and we just gonna eat and enjoy it, and hopefully y'all like these type of videos, honey. But we're gonna go ahead and dig in. But we do have drinks on the side. I got a cream soda, and Bae got a vanilla Coke.
And I'm thirsty.
She thirsty. So I'm gonna grab some, honey. All right, y'all. So today is Thursday. I hope everybody had a good day. I did. Today is our Friday.
My day went kind of fast.
My day went super fast, baby. I was ready to go, though. I was ready to go before I got there.
Oh, this corn is so good.
Is it, girl? I want some potatoes. Y'all, these potatoes be smashing from this place. If you in Dallas, you gotta try King Crab 7, okay?
I need a napkin. Give me that one.
Y'all,
and juices are dripping.
Look, y'all.
Let me taste that.
Oh, so yeah, Tisha don't really eat. Well, she's never really eaten crab since, well, before me. So
no, you didn't catch what I said.
What?
I said the juices are dripping off my corn.
I heard you, nasty hair. Come, you gotta come closer to the table now. Sparkle watching, y'all.
That's good.
I know. Let's get some of this egg. Look at this, y'all.
I'm good on that.
I don't know if y'all saw when I did. How many eggs I had at the time? Like 3 or 4? Maybe 6. I can't remember. I wanted to try them. And Beloved had did this challenge. They was good, but I can't eat that many eggs.
It ain't better than this corn.
But one is good. 1 or 2.
Y'all did this.
Yeah, this is the only place I go to now. It's another place in Dallas called Irene's. It's supposed to be the bomb. It was okay. It was supposed to be the best, according to some people. I recorded that a while ago, and it was okay. And they always run out of gumbo. They always out of stuff. Or I think they have it on certain days or something. Yeah, I know I don't eat corn. That's all Tisha.
I'm fucking it up.
Yeah, I think the potatoes that they make is my favorite part.
I need to get one. You gonna give me the whole thing?
She thought I was giving her the whole thing, y'all. Yeah, ma'am. Trying to be nice and give her some. She trying to take all my stuff.
I need some more cookies.
Okay, yeah, baby. I got my scissors, y'all, but if I don't feel like I need them, I won't use them.
I think that this is better than that place we went to in Atlanta.
Oh, Crab Queens is what she talking about. You know, they got one in Atlanta and they got one in Georgia. And when we went there. It was good. Don't get me wrong, but it wasn't better than this place.
I mean, that was good, but
it was good. But I ain't had none on this, especially the spicy.
At all.
Nothing on it. I think it's just a lot of hype. And then I heard the one in Georgia is not as good as the one in Houston. So we're going to end up having to drive down there one time and try that one.
Well,
the one in Houston. Because a lot of people, I told my friends I went there and they was like, that one ain't as good as the one in Houston. So we're going to have to go to that one and see if that's true.
Let me get another pizza down.
Give me a second.
That next corn gonna be, man.
The next corn gonna be what?
Potato. Is that? Ooh, look at that.
I guess I'll use them so I can get you a good piece. Look at it.
Ready?
A big baby, y'all.
That's a good out.
Spoil y'all.
You spoiled too.
Yeah, I've been craving this.
She had for a long time.
Baby got it for me tonight.
Yeah.
And I was like, I guess we can do a mukbang since we're gonna have it. So every time we get it, we never record. Cause we be ready to eat, man.
I lay down, watch Netflix, Hulu, something.
Shoot, Tisha already get off at 7, so like by the time she get home and we be about to eat, people be ready to lay down. Yeah, I took my poll and said that I need to mix it up, not do one thing. And somebody said they was tired of seeing me in bed.
Who says that?
Ain't no selling child.
Cream soda.
It's my favorite soda, y'all. Woo! Y'all, it's hidden. I can't even lie to y'all, it's hidden.
Not like that Coke though, dog.
Girl. That caffeine, honey. Tomorrow's Valentine's Day. Y'all comment down below to let us know what y'all doing for Valentine's.
Oh yeah.
Y'all know with us every day is Valentine's. Okay?
It is.
Cause I was just trying to get something, quick and close to the house. And baby was like, you want your seafood? We gonna get your seafood.
It took us 10 minutes.
Baby, Richardson over there though. I was just trying to go to somewhere up the street. By the house.
Look how happy she is.
I be trying not to be a brat. Cause I know when I want something, I can be a little bratty. So I'm like, it's okay, baby. She be like, no. Look at this potato, y'all. Y'all want some?
That out the way. Them legs.
Girl, y'all heard her talking about them legs. Oh, you don't be saying that. You talking about, give me some more of that.
Baby. Potato. Oh, look at my corn, baby.
I poured some juice on top of it.
I'm almost full. I told you ate it the next morning, the last time.
I'm gonna try to eat it out now.
Cause I got full. We got ice cream.
That I'm ready to eat.
Ooh. Gotta save some room for that.
I hope everybody had a good day though. I did.
Well, you was doing that. Flicking juices everywhere.
Yes, ma'am.
I need on some goggles.
Whatever. I don't even really know how to use the scissors for real, y'all. I just be doing shit. Y'all know I just be doing shit. I think we all know Bree just be doing shit.
Really bad.
Ooh! Excuse me.
Oh. That. Like a little bird. Yeah, you getting full too, baby. That's true.
No, I'm not. I'm getting full. You getting full, not me. I got room, honey.
I gotta have this corn though.
Potato.
Whoops. Look at all that seasoning on that little whatever that is.
I wish I ate corn, y'all, because it be looking so good. Everything in here to buy me shrimp. Woo.
I meant to ask you on that video we did with the tacos. Did you notice that part where we bit the taco at the same exact time?
No.
I'm gonna have to show you. I was like, we was in sync.
We be eating.
Eating a taco.
That's why we be eating. Okay, when I say we be eating, we be eating. If anything, we don't miss no meals.
Oh, this is so good. Babe, this tastes just like your corn.
Do it good.
I'm just
Ooh, that potato falling apart.
I be spicy like this and everything. Good.
Yes, I don't eat corn, but I can cook it. Tisha be wanting it too. I think I had cooked it for her. She never asked for it. But I knew she like corn, so.
Don't judge me.
Judge you for what?
How I'm eating this corn.
Girl, please.
You poured a lot of juice on here.
It tastes it. Good though.
It's bursting.
Somebody can't handle it, y'all.
Oh, I can handle that.
Whatever.
Yeah,
over there coughing.
You know.
You over there coughing?
You know.
Like it's too spicy.
You know.
About it being too spicy? That's what I'm talking about.
You know I can handle it.
Anywho.
So what you got planned for Valentine's Day?
Goddamn thing. Big chillin'. Big chillin'.
Is that right?
Like I said, every day is Valentine's for us. I guess we don't tell y'all what we doing. Because of course we're going to record for y'all. Because y'all won't have it no other way.
Yeah.
So y'all see. Ooh wee.
Oh wee. Whew.
Girl, your mouth ain't hot.
It is. It's hot.
Trying to call me Crisco because I popped my cup.
Look at your fine self.
Baby, quiet. She should just be talking, y'all. Don't pay her no mind at all. Y'all, King Crab 7 if you're here in Dallas. If you ain't, when you visit, excuse me, Richardson.
Oh, my potato fell apart.
Girl, because them things were made to perfection.
No.
Better eat them. Trying to be cute and show them. They're gonna fall right apart.
I'm full now.
Girl. Such a wimp.
Wait. Yeah, baby.
What, Pooh? It's way too spicy for you. I don't know why you over there staring.
Can't have none, mama. Why can't you doing that? No.
This girl extra, y'all. Disgusting. Babe, stop.
Ooh. Why are you sucking on it like that, though? Oh, baby.
What was that?
What?
You better not even think about it. I dropped some.
Woo!
I need this. Good thing it fell, just like it fell, because if it would have touched down, I would have been use it. I would have been sick. No, I would use my hands.
Oh, that potato is good.
I have to cut it, honey.
Okay.
It's too spicy for you. Get your little spoon out of here if you're done.
Rude.
It's all mine.
Yeah.
I'm always the last one eating, y'all.
She can have that.
First of all,
want another shrimp?
You full. First of all, Tisha be eating fast, y'all. Every time we eat, even when we get like a meal, if it's the same thing, she be done. She just be eating so damn fast.
I don't.
I like to take my time with it. She like to rush.
Girl. She gonna regret that tonight.
Whatever. Whatever. Y'all, I really wish y'all could have been here to enjoy this with me.
Yeah.
I ain't even trying to. I don't never really like the sausage. Let me see.
That's good though.
I think that's the only thing I don't care for of theirs. Everything else, the shrimp, the crab legs, everything. They lobster tails.
I didn't notice that she didn't order one. I'm kind of mad at her about that. She know that, but
Oh well. She gonna get over it.
have no choice. I'll make her get it next time.
I be trying not to be extra. And she be like, babe, why you didn't order what you wanted?
I didn't even think about it while you was ordering it, like, at all. Cause I guess I thought I was thinking about these things. Them legs. What are they called?
Crab legs.
Okay, yeah.
You know, we're talking about them legs. Whew. Whew, excuse me, y'all. Woo, okay. All I can say is woo. All right, y'all. I know y'all can see we done, honey. We didn't finish all it. It's gone.
I'm full.
It's gone. It's a couple of shrimp. I'm about to eat them probably before I go to bed.
Yeah,
I will. Yeah, I'll be pausing like after
hungry.
I eat, and then I get a little hungry afterwards.
And she's off tomorrow, so she gonna be up.
Yeah, I'm gonna be up. I already be up. I'm a night owl. I'm a Virgo. My mind don't rest. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
But we hope y'all enjoyed this video. Okay, this food was banging. Like I said, Crab King 7. So if you ever in Dallas, if you live in Dallas, you got to try them. And I like, this is no cap, y'all.
Yeah.
Like, this is really like the best seafood I've ever had.
Yeah.
But y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and we will see y'all in the next freaking video. Bye.